kids, it's math time. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Sophie wants to buy a drone. Her mother gave her 5,000 pesos. The drone that she likes costs 7,985 pesos. How much more does she need to buy the drone? Okay, so ima-minus lang natin ang 7,985 pesos sa 5,000. Okay, so bring down 985. Okay, so 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay, so ito na po ang ating final answer. Sophie will need 2,985 pesos to buy the drone. For our next video, ito naman ang ating sasagutan. How many 10 centavo coins does a 100 pesos have? Okay, that's all for today. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Goodbye!